हेलो माय नर्फ दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है अथर्व शर्मा। आज मैं अपनी नर्फ गन का रिव्यू करने वाला हूँ जिसका नाम है मॉड्यूलस ट्राई स्ट्राइक। लेट्स सी नर्फ मॉड्यूलस ट्राई स्ट्राइक। क्या तुम्हें ये नर्फ गन अच्छी लगी? क्या तुम्हें ये वाली अच्छी लगी? एक मशीन गन। क्या तुम्हें ये मिसाइल लॉन्चर अच्छा लगा? या फिर इन दोनों चीजों को जोड़ के, या फिर इन तीनों चीजों को मिला के?
A Nerf Modulus Try Strike!
Let's review! This is a spring-powered magazine fit blaster which holds 10 darts. It shoots elite darts and mega dart and missile launcher also. I will show you the main blaster. And this is the main blaster. This shows these attachments. You can attach it like this. You see this? You have to do like this, snap in it like this, and then tilt it and snap it in like this. And then you have to slide this on this rail. This also have a rail, you can attach a scope on it. And here is the access door. Here is the access door. You can open it by pulling this handle back and then open it and clear all the gems. And तो इसको खरीदना मत भूलना. Let's fire it. Let's load it. Give me the missile launcher. Give me the mega dart. Give me the one more mega dart. Give me one more mega dart. Give me. You have to do this back and then pull it out. Snap it in. It's time to fire.